Dum 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 dum. Getting out, getting out. Dum 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 dum. Getting out, getting out, getting out. Getting out, getting out. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, today's video, I'm really hype about it. I should have done this a while back, but it's okay. This is the unboxing of the Canon Rebel T6i, EOS Rebel T6i. Stoked, okay? Now, I'm literally just showing you what came with the package that I got. Wi-Fi enabled. Listen, Wi-Fi certified. This is not a game. I told y'all I was going to step up the game. So the equipment is ready. You feel me? Now, do I totally know how to operate this thing and all? Do I know all the functions? No, but I'll figure it out. I'm just going to take my time with it. That's what I be doing when I don't know how to do things. That's what YouTube is for. And any advice or tips that you may have for those of you who know this camera and know it well, please let me know. Now, this is the unboxing. However, like I said, I've gotten it. I'd gotten it days ago, and I actually was playing around with it. So I guess it's not the official unboxing, but I'm going to show you what came in the package that I got, and I will leave the link in the description box. Let's go. Okay, so my nice little beauty came in this box. Came in this box here. I really like the presentation. The box is colorful. It says "Dare to Dream." How fitting. Okay, listen, because we trying to make things happen. It came with a strap, which of course I will be using, but probably not all the time since I'm just going to be using it to do video. Okay, we have the wireless remote control. We have a card reader that came with it. We have the tripod, 48-inch tripod. It came in this box. Of course, I'm going to show you all of that. This is the tripod. Pladao. Okay? It came with Video Mic Go, lightweight on camera microphone. Pladao. Okay? It came with a monopod for action shots, which is kind of dope. I will be doing vlogging. That's what I plan on doing. It came with a couple lens covers. Okay? Let me just pull up this box. What am I doing, y'all? Bear with me. It came with a universal LCD screen protector. It came with the 32 gigabyte memory card, which I put inside my camera already. It came with an LED camera light, which I think is pretty dope. I didn't even realize that it come with this 5-piece camera cleaning kit. Okay. Which I'm also hype about. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, I ain't even... Okay. High definition, wide angle lens. Pladao. What am I forgetting? What is this? Another Polaroid camera strap, I think that is. Boom. And... What else do we have here? Okay, high definition telephoto lens, 58 millimeters, Pladao. It came with this little Ritz gear bag, which I think is pretty cool. Okay. And the moment you have been waiting for. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. You save the best for last. You feel me? You save the best for last. Now, I'll probably be doing another video on how this baby works and all of that. But I love this because I can use this bag for other stuff. You feel me? If I go hiking, when I go hiking, you know what I'm saying? Ask me how often I go hiking, but I plan on it. I have my little thing to carry my water and my tanks. You feel me? Yes, this is such a cute little bag. This is my camera bag. And yes, I've already put my baby in there. Again, the moment that you have been waiting for, my peeps. Oh, there it is. Shame. The moment that you have been waiting for. Dun, 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 dun. She's such a beauty and I love this thing. My camera, y'all. I need to clean her. I need to use that little cleaning kit they gave me to clean this. I love this little, I love that this can just flip out, so flat out and go like this. Woo! So cool. And this is the mic that the box that I showed you that it could that it had come in. This is a mic that I just put on top of the camera. Now, yeah, quite amazing, I must say. So sexy. All black, everything all black. For the occasion, I had to put on the all black. You feel me? That's how I'm feeling right now. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Yes, you are, Cammie. Isn't she? Listen. Isn't she marvelous? Probably shouldn't be using my shirt to clean that. But anyway, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this, y'all. So we about to get it popping. We about to get it popping. Like I said, I don't really know how to work her all to that extent. I played around with it a little bit. But I mean, I'm no professional. So that's why I said I'm just going to show y'all what came in the package that I got. She ready? Tiffany Haddish voice. She ready? Listen. I'm ready. She ready. She ain't ready right now though, so I'm gonna put her back in her little case. Okay? And she fits in there just fine. Flat out. I just wanted to show y'all that quick video because I gotta go. But yeah, you're gonna be seeing some situations used with my baby. My baby love. And this is the deluxe digital camera / video sling style shoulder bag. I love this bag, the size and all. That's everything that came in it. I don't think I left anything out. Oh, yes, I did. The hell? This and the battery that comes in it, but I just flicking dropped it. Voila, on there. The battery, you just line this up to the little 3 lines here. Simple enough. Flat out. You plug it in to charge it. When the light is green, it is done. Okay, so that is everything. Yeah, I think I showed you guys everything. Thank you for tuning in. More to come. It's not a game out yet. Holla!